There is another one that is regular, and there is another one that is mild. So the strong, it is for those people who have virgin hair. This can be used on them. The regular is for those people who have color treated hair, the single process. The mild is for those who have highlights and blonde hair, level 7 up. So the reason why is because these products are very, very strong, and what they do is they really change the pattern of your hair. So it's like a Japanese straightening, but it is more modernized. To be honest with you, it doesn't smell as strong. It's very easy to apply. It is a cream. So what we do is we put any of these 3 types depending on your hair, what your hair has. We put those on your hair. We do a knot test on the hair, and then it's time to take it off. So, that is done after I decide when to take it off, which is usually after 15-20 minutes, or it could be even an hour, because I just did a client on Tuesday. She had light hair, she has some highlights on the front, so I did mild on the front and I did the regular on the back. So just to take care of the highlights and the lighter hair. And it took her to with the product an hour. Yeah, I left the product for an hour on her hair. So until I saw that the knot test wasn't opening as much anymore, so that's when I decided to rinse it out. So then after this solution is applied, you wait an hour or maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it depends. I have clients that I will wait 25 minutes and then rinse it off. So then once you rinse it off, you have to rinse it off super, super well. And then I would do a treatment, a conditioning treatment in between, which is a stage 1 and stage 2 types of conditioning treatments, and then rinse that off. And then after that, blow dry very well, flat iron it very well, at least 3 passes with the flat iron on each of the pieces that I take. And then after that, after the whole hair is nice flat ironed, I have a video here on my Westport Hair Salon for Facebook. So then you will apply the neutralizer, and the neutralizer is gonna stay on the hair for 5 minutes. And then after you do the neutralizer, you are gonna rinse the hair off. And then once the hair is rinsed off, you can just blow dry really quick. It takes, the other day she was telling me, oh my God, this is amazing how quick now I can do the blow dry. And yes, I did the blow dry in less than 10 minutes actually, and she had like a really long hair. So keep that in mind if you want to have straight hair for the summer. This is a permanent treatment, so it's gonna be pin flat straight, no waves at all. Then what we do is clients who do this treatment, they like to come back every 4 months, and then they like to do the regrowth, which is usually this big. So we do the regrowth, same thing, same process. It has to be done the same way, and that's it. You have straight hair that you don't have to deal with blow drying the hair. It's not like a keratin treatment that lasts only for 4 to 6 months. This one lasts for forever until you don't want to do it anymore. Then the roots are the ones that you have to redo again. So think about this. This is great for all of those who don't want to mess up with your hair in the morning. Quick, simple, easy hair morning. So here it is for you guys. If you want to try it out, And then give me a call. I am here at Westport Hair Salon here on Facebook, and if you want to go into Instagram and follow me, there is Westport Hair. And I even have a Pinterest account. Go and check it out. It has cool things in there too. Okay, so take it easy, guys. Have a great afternoon today. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Remember to make the hair appointment. If you haven't made one, make it right now. And call me 203-226-8195, and I will see you soon. Bye.